and I'm your teacher, your mentor, and your coach, Liana. Yes, it's me again, the founder of Music Academy International. Yay! And today I'm gonna do for you a really fun Christmas carol. This one is a traditional German one. Some they really know it, and some they really don't know it. Okay? So this one, it's from this book, Fun Time Piano Christmas, Faber and Faber, level 3A3B. It's kind of easy piano, still easy piano. Alright, so I'm gonna play it for you. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. And summer days are bright, they're green with winter snow is white. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. So we don't have much there. Actually, it's repeating that phrase 3 times, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. You have it 3 times. And then you have a section B there that is going to be, the melody is going to go on the left hand. So that is a little uncomfortable because the left hand usually is used to do the chords, but this time the right hand will do the chords. That's why we're going to practice first. So the left hand is doing the melody, not the chords. 2 chords in this song, that is this one, the C chord. By now you should have the C chord on the right hand as on the left hand. That's how you practice, right? And then it's this chord, right? The right hand is not used to do that, okay? So do practice the C chord. And this one, that is a 5 there, the 5-7, or a 5th 7, okay? Or a G7, whatever, however you want to call it. It's B, F, and G, this one. So you're gonna have it exactly 2 times to play this chord. If it's too hard, you just can play B and G instead when it's coming. I'm not gonna repeat this, but you know, it's the same thing, it's gonna sound good. So again, if it's too hard to do for you the chord, C, E, G, you can just play C and G. And then for this chord, B, F, G, you can just play the B and G. Alright? So I'm gonna go with left hand first because it's really easy. So starting on the upbeat, that means the first measure, it's an incomplete measure. That means it's not complete. That means we are 3 counts in a measure in this song. So we're starting with count number 3. So they're missing the first 2. And this is calling an incomplete measure, or we're calling an upbeat. And then the downbeat usually is the first count when it's a little accent on the first count. So upbeat, downbeat, okay? So we're starting with an upbeat. Being an incomplete measure, now I gotta say a little bit of theory, that means the last measure of the song will have only 2 counts. So they will have exactly how many counts they're missing from the first measure. So both together, matching, you have a full measure. Is it not cool? This is math. And music, it's like math. It's very logical. It's gotta make sense for you. Everything I'm saying, it's gotta make sense. If not, please ask me. Okay, so we're having the C chord on the left hand. 1 and 2, alright? G, C, C, C. So just practice that for the rhythm. If you cannot do it, do with clap the beat. Tam, ta, tam. Long, short, stop. Long, short, stop. So, pam, pam, pam. And then you go down. With the pinky, you go down from this one, or from the C chord, you go down. Alright? And then back to the C chord to do this. And then you're gonna go notes down, F, E, D, G. I'm gonna share with the right hand, it will make more sense. And then a second and a third, alright? A second and the third is following. It's gonna make sense when I bring the right hand together, alright? So C, 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 or Christmas tree, or in German it's called O Tannenbaum. O Tannenbaum, and then E, D, E, F, E, three notes up, and then stretch to B, and B, and C, back to the C position. So left hand start, C, G, C, 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 or just C, 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 D, E, E, this is C, E right hand, C and G left hand, or the chord C major. Okay, right now pay attention what's gonna happen. Start. We're starting with this note. You don't need to play the G, you can just play the E if it's too hard to coordinate. But right now we're going opposite direction. D, E, F, right hand, F, E, D, left hand. That's what I want to tell you. That makes very much sense when you put both hands together. Number 2, number 3, and then 4. Both hands doing the same thing. D, E, F, and then back to G left hand, and you stretch to B. So D, E, F, B, and then D, C is coming on the right hand. Left hand we're gonna have a second and a third. D and C, D and C. How sounds that? Alright? So this line is gonna repeat again. So we're doing this line 2 times. So we're going. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. And repeat. Now that I'm repeating, I'm going to explain the pedal on the same time so you catch it, but don't put the pedal until you're not knowing very well both hands. So pedal on the O Christmas tree. Every time I'm saying O Christmas tree, you put the pedal down. Every time I'm finishing saying the O Christmas tree, pedal up. O Christmas tree, up, down. Christmas tree, up. How lovely are thy branches. That's it. Alright? So, what's happening next is coming section B of the song, in which I told you that we need to do the melody on the left hand. So let's get started. We have it G, G, E, A, G, G, F, 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 A, G, F, F, E, E. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you the trick. Go with the finger number 2 on G and you play this pattern. G, G, E, A, G, G, F, F, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay? 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. G, G, E, A, G, G, F, F. And then exactly the same fingering, but exactly the same. You move, you change from finger number 3 in finger number 2, and you start exactly the same. So F, F, E, G, F, F, E, E. Look, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So let's say it together. 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. F, F, E, G, F, F, E, E. That's all. So I'm playing it both. And then same thing from F, 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 E, E. The right hand. first we're having this chord, the C chord, and then this one, the 5th 7 or the 5/7 or the G7, alright? So this one and this one, okay? If it's too hard, again, you can play C and G and then B and G only. You don't need to play this. I repeat it again, just in case. So you play the first G on its own, and then you match the fingers together. G, G, E, A. On the second G, right now you match again. G, G, F, 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 E, G, F, back to the C. So you have on the right hand C chord, and then 2 times this one, and then back to the C. On the left hand, you match it on the second G. 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. How sounds that? So you see, it's all the time on the second 2. Finger number 2, if you want to think like that. 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and then you repeat what? The first line. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I love this song. It's really famous in Europe. So if you'd like to know it, at the carols, but not back United States, do this one and everybody will be amazed. It's an easy one and really fun. I don't think it's level 3A or 3B. I think it's definitely a 2B. But go for it, okay? Thank you so much. God bless you and see you in the next one.